Theoretical versus practical knowledge to. Yung importansya ng theoretical knowledge, basically yung pag-aaral ng technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and whatnot. Ang importansya niya is understanding and having a framework para mas maintindihan natin yung market behavior, no? So, yan yung technical analysis. And at the same time, fundamental analysis. Pangalawa, yung basis for making informed decisions. So, kung wala tayong theoretical knowledge in technical analysis, in risk management, mahihirapan tayo na mag-decide in a well-informed manner, di ba? Kunwari, wala kang alam sa setups, ano yun, bibili ka na lang ng coin dahil gusto mo or whatever. So, yun, kaya importante na may theoretical knowledge ka in the markets. Lastly, importansya niya is having risk management to. And risk management knowledge and risk management techniques as well. Like yung tinuro ko from the past lessons, which is understanding leverage and position sizing. Very important na theoretically, naiintindihan nyo siya. So, on the other hand, which is yung practical knowledge, yung importansya ng practical knowledge is, unang-una sa lahat is, kailangan ma-execute mo siya, di ba? Yung execution of trading strategies. Yun yung practical aspect ng trading, di ba? Or yung practical knowledge aspect. Walang kwenta yung pagkakaroon ng trading strategy kung hindi mo naman napapractice na i-execute yung trading strategy na yun. So, pangalawa, managing emotions and psychological challenges. So, very important na as a trader, naiintindihan natin ano yung nagtitrigger sa atin emotionally, psychologically, lalong-lalo na when we're dealing with risk, diba? Lalong-lalo na may perang involved. So, very important na inaangat natin yung practical knowledge natin and yung practical aspect ng trading natin. Most importantly, itong emotional aspect, no? Lastly, pangatlo, adapting to unexpected market events. So, sa markets, di ba, the only certain thing in the market is uncertainty, di ba? Hindi mo i-expect biglang magka-crash or biglang magka-crash or biglang magto-to the moon, di ba? Hindi mo alam. So, just like what happened recently, kala natin mag-above 30K na tayo sa Bitcoin, di ba? Then, ayun, nagulat na lang tayo, nagpo-pullback siya. So, very important na kaya mo mag-adapt sa mga unexpected market events.